Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So yes, I do look a little different and never look like this on my videos, and that's because I will be trying on a wig. I'll be doing an unboxing for you guys. I am super happy. So yeah, since I am at home and I have nowhere to go, why not be adventurous and just do a little bit of experiment and try new things. So I'm super excited to be trying on a wig that I bought recently. So I got the wig through a website called HairSoFly. I found out about this website through a friend that I have on social media. We went to the same college and she does amazing wig tutorials and unboxing and everything. So yeah, I'm gonna link her YouTube channel down below and the website I got the hair from and their Instagram page. And yeah, so let's get into this video. So this is the hair that I got. It is from Bobbi Boss. It's a lace front premium synthetic wig. This is the YARA bangs wig, and I got this wig in the teal color or whatever, TT1B DTEAL. Yeah, I wanted this wig, but I wanted it in 1B, but that was sold out. So I decided that why not get a wig and try something different. I mean a wig. Why not get a colored wig and try something different? And yeah, I am scared of the blue color. So yeah. So this is the packaging, and let's open it up. So this is how the wig comes. And then we have the card information right here attached to the wig. So the YARA bangs wig retails for $40, which I don't think it's a bad price for a wig. This is a Swiss lace front wig, premium synthetic. And yeah, it has a 3.5 part lace bang thing or whatever. I'm not really good with wigs. I'm trying to give you all the information. I'll also put the information in the description bar just in case I missed something that is important. So yeah. So this is the stock card for the YARA bang wig, and this is also other wigs that is in the YARA family, and I'm really tempted to get a few of them. They look really nice. So maybe I will be doing more wig unboxing if I do decide to buy more and if this looks really good. So yeah, I think I covered all the information. That this is the TT1B / DTEAL color by Bobbi Boss. And it's a Swiss lace front wig with bangs. So this wig is heat safe if you want to style it with any heat tool. So yeah, the reason why I got this wig is because honestly I know nothing about wigs. This is my first time trying one on, and I wanted something that was easy to put on and go, and I thought this was a good one. You don't have to deal with cutting any lace or anything. I do have a wig that I also bought that does have a lace, but I'm going to show you guys that one later after I try this one on. So this is the wig. This is the front with the bangs, and then you can see the part where you can see an opening where you see a part for the lace. This is the 3.5 lace inside, and this comes with an adjustable straps for the wig, and it does not come with any combs. So yeah, I hope she stays. Yeah, so I'm like super scared to try this on, but so far I'm really happy the way she feels and look, but I'm just really scared to you know, put it on because I'm not sure what I'm gonna look like. Yeah, so I have my hair in a cap and it's braided. They're really random braids that I braided. I was super tired after I took down my faux locks, so I just braided them up and then I just put a cap on, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put this wig on. Okay, so this is the wig on. I'm not sure why the bangs are going different directions, but yeah, this is the wig. I don't hate the style of the wig. I'm not a fan of the color, but if you like a bold color and you want to rock a blue wig, this is definitely will be up your alley, but it's not up mine. And the bangs, I don't know why it's like different directions. So yeah, I think that this wig will be fun and for someone who likes bold colors, and not for me. I do like the style of it. I like the wig. It feels really good, but yeah, I'm not with the color. I should have like waited for the 1B to come in stock, but for the most part, yeah. But yeah, it's all about experiment and trying. And yeah, this is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoy. I will definitely be going back on the website HairSoFly to find more wigs that I think will suit me. Like I said, I love the style of this wig, but the color is not for me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing of this YARA wig by Bobbi Boss. And if you guys do, don't forget to comment and like, and I will leave all the information for the wig in the description bar, where I got it from and the price and everything, if you miss any of the information in the video. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.